So today we're going to be cooking some burgers. What could be better than burgers for your tea? So we've got our ingredients to make our burger. We're going to be having turkey burgers, but you can use chicken mince or beef mince or lamb mince, anything that you like. We're having turkey. I've got some bacon which is going to be cut up and that will go inside the mince. We've got a small red onion which will be cut in half. Half of it's been diced again to go inside the burger, and the other half has been chopped a bit bigger chunks with some celery and some tomatoes, and that's going to go into the mayo which is going to sit in between the patties when we've made them. Okay, so I've added about 6 tablespoons of full fat mayonnaise into the dish. I've also added some salt and some black pepper. We're just going to add the onions, celery and tomatoes that we've already cut. You can use peppers, olives, whatever you like for this. We're also just going to add a little bit of paprika in there as well. Okay, so we've chopped 3 rashers of bacon into smaller bite-sized pieces, and we're just going to add that together with the onion that we've chopped earlier to the turkey mince. I'm just going to give that a mix. Also going to add just a bit of Cajun seasoning, only a bit. Okay, so we're filling the patty again.